Okay guys, welcome to my channel guys, welcome to my channel. This is Synthetic Empire and your host. I am Synthetic Empire. Today I would like to share a strategy with us, a very powerful strategy, the Trendline strategy. So first of all, I would just like to get something clear. Okay, remember on a chart, on an uptrend, trend is something good like this, something like this, something like this, like this, like this, like this, something like this. Okay, then a downtrend is something like this, down, series of down, a little bit of up, down, a little bit of up, and a little bit down. Okay, this is how an uptrend look like, this is how downtrend look like. Okay, this is the impulsive move, this is the corrective move, the impulsive move, the corrective move, the impulsive move. And for the downtrend, this is the impulsive, this is the corrective, the impulsive, the corrective, the impulsive. Okay, from the observation here now, you can see the impulsive is also always in the direction of the trend, and the corrective is always against the trend. So before taking a trade or anything, you ask yourself, is it in the impulsive move or in the corrective move? That's what you have to ask yourself. Okay, let me delete this now. Okay, let's continue. So first of all, you go to higher time frame. You can see on my daily time frame. So draw your line out. At least there must be at least 3 outer touches, 3 touches, at least 3, three or two, 3 or 2 must touch each other. Okay, let's see this. And you don't have to don't force the market, don't force it. No, don't force it. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay for the daily time frame. Again, can you see? What again can you see? Yeah. Okay, let's go to the H4 time frame. Our 4 time frame. Okay, from the 4 hours time frame, we can see something like this, like a descending channel here. Remember, you have to change the color. For each time frame, you have to change the color. For each time frame, you change the color so you don't get confused. Okay. Okay. Let's use this method so we take away the look. I can also see something like this here. something like a descending channel. Let's see. Something like a descending channel. Okay, that's on the H4. Let's check if they want to see for. Okay, good, nice. Nice. Then we're done with the H4. What can we see again? Let's see, what can we see? Nothing much. Go to the H1 time frame. Okay, you can, oh wow, you can see another kind of channel going up. So that's why I love V75. Can use trendline strategy, work very effective on V75 because most of the times it forms ascending channel and descending channel and the rest. It's almost similar color with H4. Okay, change the color. Remember what I said, change the color on each time frame. Change the color on each time frame so you don't get confused. The channel started here. Okay, nice. You try as much as possible not to make it tattered or rowdy, something like that. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. So what can we do again? Okay, so right now you can see after you must have draw your trend line and the rest. What you have to do is wait for it to touch the trend line, break the trend line, or form a kind of pattern, candlestick pattern near the trend line. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me give an example. Okay, you can see it started this channel here. Let's say we may not know the first time. Okay, started this channel here. Okay, from here you can see the pin bar. It broke out, then closed near the inside the trend line, so the trend line is still valid. Then it went down, touched here and formed a double bottom, and then went up back. When it reached here, you can see the pattern it showed us here. You can see a reversal pattern. So you can see this candlestick showed us a reversal pattern. So then it reversed and came down here, formed a double bottom again, and went up. This time around it didn't. What you have to know about the market is that the market is not perfect, so you just look for opportunity. Once it get near the trend line, and you start changing direction, you start looking for opportunity. But you can see here, very massive impulse move. You can see. Then this is the corrective move, the impulse move, corrective, the impulse. You can see series of bullish candles. Here there was a kind of rejection. So this rejection is just like an indecision. You're just like you're not yet conclude. You're anticipating a reversal here, but you're not conclude yet. So there was a breakout with a massive impulse move. Then it hits the trend line, then obey the trend line. So once I would like to tell us is once it hits the trend line and breaks out, or is about to break out, what you have to do is you wait for the first candle to close. Once the first candle close above the trend line, then you anticipate a reversal, just like a continuation. Okay, let's say it came here, broke out, so you're going to anticipate a continuation to the upside. So but first of all, after a breaks out with closing outside the after with the candle closing outside the trend line, you wait for the second candle. If the second candle also closes above on a high time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, then you can take the trade. But first of all, you have to know it will go up, retest. Remember, it's going to it may some at times it's going to retest. You can wait for the retest and take your entry, or you take your entry aggressively by entering immediately. So once it breaks out the trend line, then that trend line becomes invalid. That trend line becomes invalid. So that is one thing we have to note also. Let's see the 30 minutes time frame. What can we see? Okay. It came here, it came towards the side, an indecision candle, then it changed direction. So once you see this long pin bar, you anticipate your entry. You'd have if I had seen this rejection, then this bearish move is becoming weak. So you'll be looking for a buy entry. So you see this pin bar confirmed our entry. I see it went above. Okay, let's see. You see bearish pin bar, indecision here, then it changed direction. Yeah. Okay, so in summary, what I'm saying is, after drawing your trend line, you wait for it to come close to your trend line. After it has come close to your trend line, next thing you start to look for candlestick patterns, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, pin bar, head and shoulder pattern, double top, double bottom, all those patterns. You try to look for them with both reversal and continuation, so you know or you forecast, and also it will give you advantage over the market. If you are new to the channel, as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, wow, I'm seeing a kind of, if it should break out to or this big distance, this big descending channel, then it's going to be a flag, a bullish flag. But I'm thinking it's going to break towards the downside, because it has been in an massive uptrend for some days now. You can see it has been in a massive uptrend, so I'm anticipating it's going to come here, touch this trend line, and then break to the downside. It's going to break to the downside. But if it's going to break to the upside, then this possibility is going to buy up to this side, almost 100% of the okay, let me add up something now before I sign out. Once there's a channel, a descending or ascending channel, if you draw your trend line very well, once there's a breakout, there's a possibility for it. Once the breakout is against the channel, let's say, okay, this is an ascending channel now, and it breaks out to the downside, there's a possibility it's going to go almost 100% of the channel. Okay, let me explain it better. Let's say it breaks out here, there's a possibility 90% possibility is going to break out almost 100%. So once it break out, you're going to be targeting almost 100% of the ascending channel. um any more information I would like to add? Okay, no. Okay, I think I'll be ending here. Remember, if you like this video, if you enjoy the video, like and subscribe the video. Also join my Telegram channel for more exciting update. And guys, please, my Telegram channel is still coming up, it's still growing. Even my YouTube channel is still growing up. So I like us to like and subscribe, and also join my channel. Once my Telegram channel reaches 100 subscribers, I'll start daily sending daily signals to the group. For now, I'm not steady with the signals I'm sending. I'm just trading personally. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. I'm just dropping strategies that um starter starters or retail traders so they can be profitable. I think I'll be signing out here. Guys. Okay, thank you guys. Synthetic Imperial is signing out.